Two-dimensional arrays are great for representing data in rows and columns, just like game boards, spreadsheets, or image pixels. They let you organize information in a grid-like structure that's easy to navigate with two coordinates. You can declare one with this line of code, which creates 3 rows and 4 columns. You can then access elements using 2 indices like grid and then row and column value. You can also initialize directly by using nested braces. To process all elements, use nested loops where the outer loop iterates the rows and the inner one iterates the columns. You can use the getLength method with parameter 0 to get the number of rows, and then with parameter 1 to get the number of columns for the loop bounds. You can also use jagged arrays like this, which are arrays of arrays. They offer more flexibility because each row can have different lengths, but they come with slightly more complex syntax.